Hi guys, it's Temi with YellowSparksJoy. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have an unboxing to share with you guys, and I'm going to be showing you how this accessory pairs with some of the items in my closet. This was totally unplanned, a very spontaneous purchase, but I'm very excited about it because it's something that when it first came out, like, do you guys have one of those purchases where it comes out or it launches and you totally hate it, but then it grows on you, or you eventually find out that it's not as bad as you thought? This is the one. And at first when I saw it, I was hoping it would be included in the Labor Day 25% off sale, but it wasn't. But then the price really wasn't as bad as I initially thought it was. I mean, it was so bad that I never even looked at it on the website. I never even looked at the price. I didn't check the price, so I didn't know how much it cost. But when I eventually found out how much it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. So I ended up purchasing it. You probably already know what it is from the title of the video, but thank you so much to my SA and the team at xoxo for always letting me film and helping me so much, answering all my questions in store. Like, I really appreciate it, and I don't take it for granted. They're so much fun to be around, the SAs in that store. Here is my receipt. It's always such a pleasure conversing with them and enjoying their company. So here is the cute packaging, and it's an accessory that I think will go with a lot of my handbags. So I was very happy to purchase it, even though it was spontaneous, because I went in there to check out a bag that I wanted that was part of the sale, and I ended up deciding that it wasn't discounted enough for me to buy it right now. So I decided to pick this up instead, and I'm pretty happy with my choice. I feel like that bag, the pillow medicine that I want, will be further discounted at Christmas, so I'm going to wait a little bit. I hope I don't miss out on it, but if I do, it's just one of those things. But I got this instead. Now, this item has not been discounted since it was released, which is a while ago. It was first released in some colors that I was totally not interested in, and I'm still not interested in, because as far as I'm concerned, this packaging is just very beautiful, by the way. Now, as far as I'm concerned, those other colors are very plasticky, and they just look like they're accessories for like a doll house or a doll collection or something like that. So yeah, I really wasn't interested in it in those colors. But when it came out in this color, I was like, yeah. Look, they even made a pillow for it in the bag. How cute is that? So yeah, so when it came out in this color, yeah, I was like, aha, this is the one. This is the neutral color that I have been waiting for. Can you hear that jiggle? Okay, it's one of the resin straps that Coach recently did. If you've seen that ad with JLo and the pillow tabby and the strap she has, it is one of those straps. So it is resin. It is made of recycled material, and this is the shorter strap. There are longer versions that come with already on some of the bags. So the longer straps come with the Pillow Studio bags. They come with the new Rogue top handle, so it comes with those straps already, and they're the longer versions. These ones that are sold separately, made out of the recycled material, are shorter in length, which I prefer. I prefer the shorter one. And so the color that I picked up isn't it so pretty? Like, I just couldn't stop staring at it when I saw it in store. Like, it's so beautiful. It looks so much like the dress I'm wearing. So that tells you that I made the right choice, because I love this color combination so much. This pattern is just beautiful. It's a perfect neutral for my collection. And you know, that's one thing when you're adding things into your closet, is it going to work with other things you already own? So that I'm not buying things where I have to go out and buy more things to work with this new thing, you know? So here you are. It has the Douglas clips there that say Coach in brass, and then it has the dog tag at the end, just one end here, that also says Coach. It is the Tortoise multi resin chain strap, and here it is. Oh my god, it has like the colors on this thing, you can't even tell from the pictures online, but it has like a purple, a very pale musty type of purple, then it has browns, dark brown, like it has like a sand color. I'll bring it closer so you guys can see. It just looks very different than on the website. Can you guys, okay, can you see the browns, the purples, the yellowish brown, the dark brown, the black brown, the sand brown, and then can you see like the purple, like the hair is like a musty pale type of purple. Very, very pretty. I did not know that that color was in there, so I absolutely love the color scheme on this tortoise multi resin strap. I have something very similar that I got from this Aldo bag. Now this is the Aldo Sabo bag. I've had this for about 2 years. It's an alternative, a very good dupe for the Bottega pouch bag, and it came with 2 straps. So one of this is the shoulder strap, and then it also came with a chain strap that is very similar to the one Coach is doing now. And here it is, this very nice onion pink type of color, and I've never used it on this bag. I don't like it with this bag at all. Okay, can you guys, let me see, can you see it like this? I don't think it goes very well. It's not the same shade, and I know it's supposed to kind of be like a contrast to accentuate that color, but I don't like it. I've never used it with the strap. I just carry the bag as a clutch, and it works perfectly for me like that. Now instead, when I got this bag, so this is my Simbono bag. I'll pop the exact name on the screen, and so I prefer to use it on this bag because it just goes so much nicer. It's not like I don't like these types of chains, it's just that I came to the realization that I didn't like the colors that Coach released earlier. So the pink, the blue, you know, those light bubblegum type Barbie doll type colors. That was my problem with this particular resin chain strap. But when they finally released it in this beautiful tortoise multi, I knew that this was the one for me. So the first handbag that came to my mind when I was contemplating buying this in store was my Swinger 20, and I thought, this might look really pretty on this. I haven't tried it. This is the first time. I just took it out of the packaging since I came back from the store, so this is the first time I'm trying it on this bag. I feel like it's too big, right? The dimensions of the chain is too chunky for the tiny Swinger, but I kind of like it. If I'm going to use it on the shoulder, it doesn't look bad. I mean, with this dress it clashes a bit too much, but like on a plain black dress, I think it'd be really pretty. You know what, I think I'm going to change out of this outfit so you guys can see that strap a whole lot. Okay, I am back, and here is one option. What do you guys think? I like it. I like it. At first I thought that the proportions were not going to work because the Swinger is so small, but now that it's on my shoulder, you know what, I quite like it. Yes. It really works. So I'm happy that it translated well from what I had in my mind to reality. So yes, one bag already for the strap. And then I also thought about my Ergo in the color Natural. And this bag I usually dress up with this chain that I got from Dress Up Your Purse. And Dress Up Your Purse does a lot of really nice accessories, from leathers to metal, and I'll leave their Instagram handle linked below. And so let's take this chain off so I can try my new strap on there. I think it's going to blend too much into this natural color. What do you guys think? I think it looks really, really nice. I like it. What do you guys think? I feel like I am 80% certain this works well on the Ergo. And the final bag I'm going to be trying the strap on is my Tyler Carry-All in the size 28 in the color Chalk. This is how I have worn this bag so far, just with the cherry charm during summer, because I did recently get this bag. So I'm thinking to dress it up for fall. This strap might be the perfect strap to give it a fall look and switch things up a bit. So let's put that there. What do you guys think? Is it too long? Is it dropping too long? Maybe I need two. Maybe I need to get another one so I can have two to use as like a longer shoulder strap. Or I'm going to try to put it on the inner D-rings and see if it looks better that way. So here I can use it as a shoulder carry bag. Let's see. Oh yeah, it works perfect. It drops at the perfect length. Oh yes, this is good. But I think it works perfect on this tote like this. So it doesn't work on this one as a decor piece because it's too long when I use it that way. But it does work as a shoulder strap. I'm really surprised. I was not expecting that to happen. I expected it to be mainly as a decorative piece. I guess I could still use it this way. So it's still on the D-rings on the inside, but I'm just letting it fall. But that would be a problem when I want to get in my bag, right? Might not be so much. I might have to come and report back to you guys on how I find it. Like if I use it this way, this is a work tote for me. So I'm going to use it this way sometime soon. During the fall, and I'll let you guys know how it holds up. Let me know if you want to see like a review video of this chain strap on this bag or on all the bags that I've used it on so far. But I'm pleasantly surprised for this one. I feel like I am 60% sure I'm going to use it on this bag now. Let me know what you guys think. I'd like to hear your thoughts. But that is it for today's video. As usual, all of the bags that I have shown in this video will be linked below if they are still available on the Coach website. All my previous videos on the bags will also be linked in the description box below for you guys to watch if you're interested. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. Don't forget to hit the tiny notification bell beside the subscribe button so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. And if you've not watched my last shop with me video at Coach Boutique where I picked up the chain strap, then you want to click on this link so you can watch it right now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.